In this video, you will be guided through the process of replacing a mass airflow sensor on a Toyota Corolla 2005. The mass airflow sensor is usually positioned close to the engine, on the intake air tube or air filter housing. Refer to your vehicle service manual to find the exact location. Begin by initiating the removal process. Confirming that the engine has cooled down for safety reasons is essential. Then, disconnect the negative terminal of the vehicle's battery to cut off the power supply. Next, unplug the electrical connector of the mass airflow sensor. Proceed to loosen the securing bolt of the sensor and remove the sensor from the intake tube. Moving on to the inspection phase, check for loose hoses, cracks, holes, or other new sensor damage. Next, use a digital multimeter to adjust the voltage setting. Connect the positive lead to terminal 3, VG, and the negative lead to terminal 2, E2G, and blow air into the mass airflow sensor. Then, set the DMM to its own mode, and measure the resistance between the terminal. The resistance must be within 2.21 to 2.69 kilo-ohm. If the voltage does not fluctuate and the resistance between THA and E2 is higher than 2.69 kilo-ohm, replace the sensor with a new one. Now, we'll move on to the installation phase. Start by gently inserting the mass airflow sensor into the intake air manifold, ensuring a snug fit. Proceed to tighten the bolt securely to hold the new mass airflow sensor in place. Reattach the mass airflow electrical connector to ensure proper functionality. Afterward, reconnect the negative battery cable terminal to finalize the installation. That concludes the complete procedure for replacing a catalytic converter. Thank you for watching.